What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and again I'm still actually in Orlando, so that's why I'm doing this video where I am. But right next to me here, Hero 7 Black, and right here the lanyard and silicone case. Let's get them unboxed. This is just a general unboxing video first before we do anything, and then I'm going to take this outside, we're going to test it out and see how good it really is. There'll be more videos coming with this guy right here, and this one will just be literally unboxing and showing what it looks like on the camera. But let's jump into it. Let's see what the GoPro Hero 7 is all about. So first of all, it's a 12 megapixel camera as per normal with GoPro. It can record 4K at 60 and 1080 at 240, which is unbelievable for a camera of this size. Obviously you've got the normal GoPro features of like voice activation, like GoPro take a picture, GoPro record video, etc. It's all touchscreen on the back. Right here, 8 times super slow-mo. It should be fun to use. GPS as per normal. It's got HDR. It's got the hyper smooth. The hyper smooth is something I'm looking forward to testing out. You're going to see that in this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that later on in the video. And also, what people don't seem to be talking about is the fact that you can live stream to social media accounts from the GoPro, which I'm looking forward to testing out in the future. I'm not going to do that today, but we will be doing that in the in a future video, probably over here. You'll probably see it'll be a video that's going to be recorded over here in Orlando, but it'll be a little while yet before that comes out. The thing no one else is talking about again is the fact that if you turn this horizontal, then you can obviously take some pictures and do some stuff for Instagram and post it straight to your Instagram stories, etc. So I'm looking forward to testing that out. But what are we waiting for? Let's unbox this. So let's go for the silicone case first. Now, because obviously I'm in Orlando, I haven't got my unboxing knife with me, and this is going to need something to slice through it. So let me have a look, see if I've got something to slice. Okay, so the only thing I seem to have is the key from the rental car. There we go. Perfect. The box. Throw it away. Okay, so let's begin into this. There we go, there's that. And there's the lanyard, nothing else in there, throw it. Okay, so here's your silicone case. Mode button on the side, record button on the top, cut out for your camera, cut out for your LCD screen on the back. Obviously you can't see the little LCD on the front, but that's going to keep it protected. On the Hero 5, this always got scratched up, so I'm kind of happy that's there, that's going to keep it protected. And then you've got your lanyard to keep it around your neck, and it's going to dangle that way. I am looking forward to testing this out, I'm not going to lie. I've seen so many videos on YouTube on it, and I just had to pick it up. As soon as I'd sold the Hero 5, I knew exactly what I was going to do when I got here, and that was pick this little guy up. But to be honest with you, I've had this for a few days and I haven't done nothing. Put that to one side and let's get on to the main feature, the Hero 7 Black. So let's jump in. Pull tab on the bottom here, rip it apart, throw it away, and then open it out like so. So we'll leave that on just for a minute and have a look. Let's see what you get in the bottom piece here. So if we open that out, you've got books and stuff, and of course some stickers, your normal little 3M adhesive mounts. You know, these come in handy in the car and stuff like that. So I'll put them to one side out the way. USB-C charging cable as per normal, and of course your battery. We'll keep that. Now, one thing I am going to test out in the video, as I'm actually going to switch over to the GoPro in a couple of minutes. I'm going to take it outside and do some stuff outside. I'm going to test the audio out on this. From what I've been told, the audio is better on the Hero 7. I'm yet to believe it, but we shall find out today in this video. Okay, so there's your Hero 7. As you can see, mode button on the side. It says 7 Black on this side. That's what you're going to know. It is a bit darker than the previous ones, and it does feel a little bit weightier. And this is nice right here on the bottom. It's nice and smooth, no more like rubber lining around it. There it is in its silicone case. Right, okay guys, so I'm going to get this little guy set up, and then I'm going to head outside. We're going to test it out in the Orlando sunshine. We're going to test out the audio, and hopefully we're going to test out that hyper smooth as well. So I'm looking forward to doing this. So let's head outside, let's go and test this out, and let's see how good the Hero 7 Black really is. Also as well, as soon as I actually switched the GoPro Hero 7 on, there was an update available, and it's doing it all automatically through the GoPro app. I haven't had to touch or ask it to do anything, it's just doing it itself. That is a win. This is what the Hero 7 looks like from the camera at the front. I don't know if I'm in focus, I don't know what's in focus, because obviously I can't see a screen, which is probably a good thing, so I won't be tempted to look at the screen rather than look at the lens and look at you guys. But you have to let me know what the audio sounds like, because obviously I don't know what it sounds like until I actually edit this video. I don't know what it sounds like, but I can see from the video quality that I recorded during the Time War video, it does look really, really good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it round, I'm going to take a picture, and we'll put that up and we'll see what the picture quality is like as well. But so far, so good. I'm looking forward to using this more. There's going to be a Time Warp video coming from Universal Studios, so make sure you stay tuned for that one, guys. Right, okay everyone, so this is quite far away, to be honest, from where the camera actually is. It's actually on top of the car. That's the Orlando Eye behind me, or the Icon wheel now, whatever you want to call it. This is what the audio sounds like from the Hero 7. There's no other mics involved. I'm not mic'd up. As you can see, the phone's not mic'd up. I haven't got a zoom. This is just straight from the camera. This is what you're hearing. Now, with the Hero 5 that I had, the audio was absolute trash. It was absolutely awful. But what I want to know is, can you vlog from this, and what it's like as a gimbal? So there's going to be plenty more videos coming with the Hero 7. There's going to be a lot basically from here and from when we get home. But make sure you stay tuned for them, guys. Make sure you subscribe for the Universal video, which will be going live sometime in the next couple of days with this. It's going to be a hyperlapse, sort of Time Warp hyperlapse video coming with this camera, and then we're going to go up on this guy right here. We're going to go right up on the swing using this camera. Right, okay, so switching it back into normal mode just for a sec. What I want to do is, if you've ever used a gimbal before, I mean, I was going to buy the DJI Ronin S until it's gone back up in price, but that's not what this video is about. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a walk around of the car, and then I'm going to see if it is as steady as they say. So what we'll do is we'll start here, walk right the way around the car and back to this point to see how good it really is, and to see whether you do actually need the likes of a Ronin S for your big camera, or whether you can get away with using your main camera in the house or in like static shots, and then using this for like the rest of the shots. So let's check it out. Okay, so that was walking normal speed right round the car, on foot, no gimbal, no stabilizer underneath this. This is just purely from the camera and its little tiny mount that it's got. So you'll have to be the judge and let me know in the comment section down below if this is any good or not. Right, okay everyone, so we're back. Now I don't know how that footage has turned out until I edit this video, so you have to let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you want to pick one of these guys up for yourself, I'm going to leave some links in the description down below to GoPro's website, and also some Amazon links for you to check it out with some accessories, etc. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate it. If you've enjoyed this, please consider dropping a like on the video for me. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you want to see me do more videos like this from Orlando, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try and do that for you, as I've got a few things planned that I want to pick up. So be sure to let me know in the comments, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you all, hopefully, in my next video. Take it easy, guys.